If your water heater sounds like a jet engine, this indicates a serious problem that requires immediate attention. Understanding the difference between normal and abnormal water heater sounds is crucial for maintaining your system. Normal water heater sounds include gentle humming when cold water enters, tickling from pressure fluctuations, and crackling in gas units. However, jet engine like noises, loud booming, or excessive hissing indicate problems requiring attention. Gas and electric water heaters produce different types of problematic sounds. Gas heaters typically make jet engine noises due to burner obstructions, while electric heaters more commonly produce crackling or hissing from sediment buildup on heating elements. Sediment buildup is the primary cause of jet engine sounds in water heaters. Mineral deposits accumulate over time, blocking gas flow in burners and creating loud, disruptive noises. This buildup also reduces efficiency and can lead to overheating. Other causes include flood damage, which creates rust and corrosion that prevents proper gas flow, and gas valve problems that can occur even in new installations. Remember, unusual water heater noises should never be ignored, as they often signal underlying issues requiring professional attention. Now that we understand what causes jet engine sounds in water heaters, let's walk through the step-by-step troubleshooting and maintenance process to fix this issue safely and effectively. Safety is the absolute first priority when working on any water heater. Before touching anything, you must disconnect the power for electric units or set the gas valve to pilot mode for gas water heaters. For gas water heaters specifically, the main culprit is usually the burner assembly. You'll need to remove the outer door at the base of the unit and carefully slide out the burner assembly for cleaning. Next, carefully inspect the main burner and U-tube for any blockages or sediment buildup. These components are critical for proper gas flow and combustion. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing these issues. The most important routine task is flushing the tank to remove sediment buildup, which should be done annually to maintain efficiency and extend your water heater's lifespan. If the jet engine sound persists after these maintenance steps, or if you're uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, it's time to call a qualified plumber. Some issues require professional expertise and specialized tools to resolve safely.